Hello, and welcome to Money Maximized. Today we are going to talk about how to manage your money, 50-30-20 rule. Managing your money effectively is crucial for financial stability and achieving your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule is a popular guideline for budgeting and managing your finances. It suggests dividing your income into three main categories. Necessities, 50%. Allocate 50% of your income to cover essential expenses. This includes rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, transportation, insurance, and other bills that you must pay regularly. Prioritize these expenses to ensure a stable living situation. Wants, 30%. Reserve 30% of your income for discretionary spending. This category includes non-essential expenses like dining out, entertainment, travel, and shopping for non-essential items. It allows you to enjoy life while maintaining a balanced budget. Savings and debt repayment, 20%. Dedicate 20% of your income to savings and debt reduction. This category encompasses building an emergency fund, saving for long-term goals, e.g., retirement or a down payment on a house, and paying off high-interest debts. Prioritizing this segment helps secure your financial future. Here are some tips to effectively manage your money using the 50-30-20 rule. Create a budget. Start by tracking your income and expenses to understand where your money goes. This will help you allocate funds according to the 50-30-20 rule. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and debt repayment accounts to ensure you consistently allocate 20% of your income for these purposes. Adjust as needed. Life circumstances change, so be flexible with your budget. If you receive a raise or experience a financial setback, adjust your allocations accordingly. Emergency fund. Prioritize building an emergency fund with at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate account. Debt reduction. Focus on paying off high-interest debts, such as credit card balances, to save money on interest payments. Regularly review your finances. Periodically review your budget to ensure you're staying on track and making progress toward your financial goals. The 50-30-20 rule provides a simple framework for managing your money, but it's important to customize it to your specific financial situation and goals. Whether you're working to get out of debt, save for a major purchase, or plan for retirement, this rule can serve as a valuable starting point for effective financial management. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.